Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka tanat puli puthi jong sarkar jila, sian kan sepen mi no da ka jing penpenan ni ka notification ha ka bai day bat ka jing siu ka bai skol na ka bentau pena yayong ujembang bat ujileu. Da ki kimi ki pa ki ba pha skol ki khon ha ki skol sarkar, ha ki skol ki ba hapo ka deficit bat ha ki deficit pattern, bat kan thup ru ha ki skol bala penya di ki reusement ni ki private school. Dangshan ka sarkar kala pentep ru ba ki skol bala penya da sarkar bat kan thup ru ki skol deficit bat deficit pattern ki dewen chimbe tek ya ka tuition fees ni ka bai skol ka balong tang san phau percent dai kim dei satya ban siu ya ki wei ki jing siu baret baria bajubo da ki skol. Kat bai ki school cement ni ki private school ka sarkar kan sapen mi da ka hukum bakin shembai tek tang ya ka bai school ni ka tuition fees la no ki wei jing siu ba ki kimi ki pa jong ki khenna ki haban siu.
The decision that we taken last time relating to the tuition fees, school fees, notification, draft notification has been approved by the government. I think today, if not today, tomorrow positively, notification will come out. And then I would request all of you, you can find out from Education Department the details of the notification. But notification is being prepared. Hopefully tonight or tomorrow it will come out. And second point, not only that, the notification will also come out not only for tuition fees, it will also come out for the private run hostels. Private run hostelers, we call it. Those people who run the hostels, or maybe what they call it, PG in the form of PG. So that notification also is coming out from Education Department, and the order is being issued again today, and the order contains the words like this. It contains the wording like this: proprietors of private owned hostels. Proprietors of private owned hostels in the state of Meghalaya are directed to cease and desist from charging rent from students during the period of the lockdown beginning from 1st April 2020 till further orders. 1st April, because the total lockdown happens from the midst of March, but the notification take effective from 1st April 2020 till further orders. Okay? And again, those students who keep staying from 1st April, maybe because of their exams, or maybe because their parents or the family said, no, please don't come back, you stay there. For those people, they have to pay. You cannot pay, they have to pay. Not that they should not pay. Those who are already there, who are already staying there, who does not wish to go back to their respective places, they have to pay. But those people who has to go, means when the lockdown happened, so all of them, they started leaving the hostels, they don't have to pay their fees. And the fees, the notification says that from 1st April, the proprietor should not charge any hostel fees. And the last one I should say, I wanted to share with you, relating to the street hawkers. We discuss about this issue because we are also concerned about the livelihood of our poor people who earn their livelihood from these small businesses that they have all along the roadside. For your information, I would like to tell you, we have already constituted. Notification was already in place where we constituted 2 committees. One committee is under the chairmanship of the CEO Shillong Municipal Board, and the second committee headed by the Deputy Commissioner Shillong or Deputy Commissioner of the respective district, to find out ways and means to make sure that the regulation is in place as far as the street hawkers are concerned. So today we decided in the review meeting, again we have given the direction to these 2 committees. One is headed by the CEO Shillong Municipal Board, which falls under the jurisdiction of Municipal Board, and the other one is headed by the Deputy Commissioner outside the Municipal Board, to again identify immediately the appropriate places for accommodating these poor people so that their livelihood can be restored. So these are the decisions we taken in the review meeting today. If you have any question, please.